girl, what it is. Tell your man his time is up. Let's snuggle up. I'm feeling on your bubble, but that's not enough. Tryna jump in it like double dutch. Best to keep it between us. Ain't nobody we can trust, no. Cause that love ain't real. Haters lurking underwater like a Navy SEAL. They try to drown a nigga, so I had to grow some gills. They make it rain up on your bitch. I fly her out, then nice her down, and now she feel the chills. Nowadays the drama outweighing all the talent. She say loving me ain't easy, but I'm up for the challenge. Said she wanna say and write it good and well. I got up, yeah, she black mixed with Italian. Get her feet done in her talents. Put her on the dash late night, no fouling. Spit you down the middle, girl, I'm all about balance. If you do it good, I'ma get you a new paddock, a new apparatus, a new bag of put your plastic. What it is, oh, what's up? Can a real nigga get a little love? Just cause I ain't no killer or no thug, that doesn't mean that I can't get you a new Benz or a new truck. Girl, I'll get you anything you ever want. I just need a little trust, a little love. And if you put it down, I'ma beat it up. Ooh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much for joining the family. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for me. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm back with another video. Guys, in today's episode, we are wearing contact lenses. It's my first time. I don't know how it's going to be. So this is my first time experience. And if this is something you would want to watch or learn how to do, keep on watching. Remember to like this video, share, subscribe. And without further much ado, let's get straight into it. I'm going to leave the audio on so you can get the first hand reaction of everything. Let's go.
Okay. I mean, tutachoma. Open. Huh? Ooh. Okay. What are you feeling before we continue? Mtu anafaa kulewa ni pause video yako. Mtu anafaa kulewa. What are you feeling? I feel there's something. Talia for how long? Sasa ni kama Sema tu
Na-
hivyo.
napata uchafu. Hapo.
Sijasema kichwa.
Wapi exactly? Juu, chini, anywhere.
Side tu,
Anywhere. Umekata. Lazima ufike hapo. Huwezi acha tu kama
Paddock, a new apparatus, a new bag of what it is on what's up. Can a real nigga get a little love? Just cause I ain't no killer or no thug, that doesn't mean that I can't get you a new Benz on.